So now we come to the fifth Josa Way step, or the fifth tip for detoxing your mind. After you've done steps 1, 2, 3, and 4, we go now to step 5, which is getting positively physical. What do I mean by this? Especially when you are feeling oppressed and burdened by overthinking and overanalysis, the quickest way to bring the energies down from your mental level down to your bodily level, and even to ground it to the earth level, is to move your entire body quickly. So move the mental energy down from your overthinking space down to your body, and there are many things you can do by just moving your body quickly wherever you are. You can clean your room or your house. You can dance if you feel like it. You can take a walk. My favorite is taking long walks. You can swim, because when you're swimming, you're doing whole body exercise. You can do yoga or any activity that just moves your whole body. And examine how you feel afterwards compared to how you felt before you moved your entire body. Sadly, in our 21st century lifestyle, most people have become very, very sedentary. With just a click of a mouse or a tap on a phone, we can even order food already and have the food brought to our homes. We don't have to cook for them anymore. So what we're trying to do here is getting back to our bodies and befriending our bodies. So this is a quick way you can do for today. Try to do more physical things, and I qualify that they have to be positively physical. Positive in the sense that they do you good. They affirm your body, and they affirm you, they bring you joy, that you feel more energized and zestful about your life. Don't engage on physical things that are obviously harmful to your body. The second thing is, once you practice moving more of your body around, the other thing also is to create with your hands. Especially if you're feeling depressive and oppressed by so many dark thoughts, the quickest way is to start doing things with your hands. You can wash the dishes, can make your bed, and can even move on to the things that are your favorite hobbies. You can paint, you can draw, you can sketch, do something with your hands, because it's also a way of moving down the mental energy down through your body and having your hands be the conduit for that energy, and you have a creative work to show for it at the end also. So creative work with your hands is a good Josa way to get to detox also your mind from all the things that oppress you there.